There's a little girl at camp. You'll never believe what I just saw. There's a little girl at camp, and she's a miniature Debbie. There's a little girl at camp. There's a little girl at camp.
This is just like my bathy. Only there's no rubber ducky. And I'm not Mickey. There's a ducky.
Mine. Yeah, but I'm hungry too.
Everything will be okay. But I'm hungry too. But I'm hungry too.
He hasn't stopped crying since we brought him home. He hasn't stopped crying since we brought him home.
And the little boy looked.
Please. Help.
I'll be back soon.
All I did was cough, Steve. I tried not to, but I had a feeling in my throat. And then I coughed. And now he's crying. And now he's got the hiccups. And now he's crying. And now he's got the hiccups.
I'm sure you understand, don't you?
I certainly do. It's ridiculous, Mommy. I mean, lady.
Angelica?
It's ridiculous, Mommy. I mean, lady.
Angelica?
I didn't sneak out. I got lost. I fell in here. Huh?
Rapunzel? Hi, Sophia. It's good to see you again. Did my amulet bring you here? Not this time. You came here all the way from Corona? I know it was a long ride, Maximus. You know, it's just a group of us who meet every once in a while to discuss, well, princess things. Cinderella and Ariel say hi, by the way. Anyway, Cinderella's fairy godmother told us something you need to know. You, Sophia, have become the most magical princess in the Everrealm. Me? How? The Amulet of Avalor is how. The more you wear it, the more powers it gives you, the more magical you become. And there are villains out there who will want that magic for themselves.
Wendell Herman Fidget the Third?
Mother? And all you got me was that rubbish loot.
Wendell, you get what you get and you don't get upset. Lied, you mean it? And I can assure you there will be serious consequences for my son's behavior. You are grounded, young man.
Oh, not again.
And there will be no dessert for a week, no crystal ball gazing for 2 weeks, and you'll be spending the rest of the day cleaning out the cauldrons.
Not the cauldrons.
Wendell?
Yes, Mother. Thank you. Thank you. You ready for your lullaby? Oh, I'll sing too. What song are we doing? I was going to make one up.
Is something wrong?
It's just, I have something to tell you. Sophia didn't break the window, and she wasn't the one playing ball inside. It was me.
What?
She took the blame so I could go to the circus.
Miss Nettle, I insist that you leave here at once.
Oh, I couldn't possibly leave without that spell book, Miss Flora. I guess I'll just have to make one more extra large book. Desmond!
Miss Nettle, I insist that you leave here at once.
Oh, I couldn't possibly leave without that spell book, Miss Flora. I guess I'll just have to make one more extra large book. Hildegard, Cleo, Amber, Sophia, so nice of you to invite us.
And from the village of Dunwitty, Ruby and Jade.
Hey, everybody. Mom and Dad asked me to tell you this.
James! Remember us? We met the last time we were at the castle. My neck gown is ruined. It's only a drop. Look at it! It's ruined! My neck gown is ruined. It's only a drop. Look at it! It's ruined! Look at it! It's ruined!
Once, an old woman came to my door offering an apple, but she turned out to be my wicked stepmother in disguise, and the apple was poisoned.
Ariel?
Princess Ariel? What are you doing here?
Sophia's amulet brought me here to help. What's going on, Sophia?
My friend Una is in trouble. I tried to save her, but
You couldn't do it on your own?
no.
We all need a little help sometimes. Once, Prince Eric needed my help when his ship sank.
My family ship is in danger too.
What's the matter, sweetheart?
I don't want a royal ball. Mr. Cedric! Mr. Cedric? Guards! Suzette! Marcy! What have I done?
What is going on in here? This is a castle, not a farm. This is a castle, not a farm. This is a castle, not a farm. This is a castle, not a farm.
Are you kidding? Girl screamed like a banshee yesterday.
Well, should we wake her up?
Are you kidding? Girl screamed like a banshee yesterday.
I'm not going to scream.
That's a relief.
Wouldn't have needed the spell if I didn't give you those trick shoes. I was just jealous because everyone likes you more than me. Even my own brother. Wait! James! Come back! Michael! Suzette! Marcy? Sophia, you look beautiful. You look gorgeous. Prettiest princess in the palace.
What's wrong, Twilight?
I've gone through every book in Ponyville, Spike, and there isn't a single mention of the mysterious chest that came from the Tree of Harmony.
And where do you think you're going? You must lower the moon. It is your duty. Luna, I am Nightmare Moon.
It's Princess Luna and Princess Celestia.
No, listen!
The Everfree Forest is invaded.
You can turn the potion from purple to white. You may see why the sky is day and night.
Princess Luna!
There can only be one